Okay, guys, cycle of fourths on C sharp. Okay, so now it depends on the song you're actually playing. You can actually keep it simple by just doing 6, 2, 5, 1, 4, which is. Alright, but let me still break the first approach down. I just needed to chip this in real quick. So, over the 3, which is F, rootless voicing. Left hand side we have A, C sharp, E flat, and A flat. Then right hand side I have A flat on the top. Then I did a slow from E flat, E and F. So then the melody line, this is E flat and G flat. Then this is C sharp and F. Over the 6, we have this left hand side. This is A flat, C, C sharp, and F. Then right hand side we have same slow. This is E flat on the top. Then grace note from B flat, B, and C. Then so left hand side, this is A flat tritone, A flat and D. And right hand side, this is F sharp, B flat, and C sharp. Left hand side, this is G and C sharp. Right hand side, F, A, and C. So left hand side over the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Left hand side, this is F sharp, B flat, B, and E flat. Then right hand side, I think this is the right. You can actually add that if you want, but we have C sharp on top, then slow from A flat, A to B flat. Then we'll go to the 1. So to the 1, we have on the left F, B, and E flat. Then right hand side, I did a walk up, C major chord. This is G, C, and E. Then so this is A flat, then grace notes from E flat, E to the F. Then also grace notes from E to E flat to C sharp. Then we'll come to the 4. So left hand side, this is A flat, F sharp, C sharp. Then with my thumb, I'm playing A flat and B flat together. Just like I said, if you can't stretch, that's fine. You can keep it simple. Then right hand side, we have F and C sharp, then with a slow from A flat, A to the B flat. Then I added this arpeggio. Left hand side is just, you can actually start with C sharp and E flat, but I enjoyed just starting with that one note. That's E flat on the left. Then right hand side, this is F, A flat, and B flat. So the same thing played in succession. So let's just play it and wrap it up together.